I extended said you see catch so be extended officially, no. Why extend it to actually why extended contracts no Eddie ama Barcelona inti Hansi extended contracts no actually na akwano udi agra na master mweni in the Hawati Hansi Flick extended contract inti pennies have when you papa yi ay big ni new ako cray Charlie then I don't need an animal one I'm catch just one sniff
here represent Hansi oh since when
actually
Pennies our players so another kunde say no
ogu players bebre me no luma we
there's
Lewandosky you know
Lewandosky mo there's another person crowd Barca one and say na wo form pa let me hwan
let me who he
okay yeah Mendes
Inti omodwuma je pension nim
no we won na we na nanom no
na we mu so adwuma no say wa bro agency no so wa dru consultation
very well
where they can place one call ubi bia okay we mo no de omo chiri omo soro
inti news ana biggie air parts no na what's Hansi Flick no say they drew who will be Robert Lewandowski's replacement. Me no ka say biggie Barcelona for agya to say Julian Alvarez no ebe kabeba ena Joao Pedro no so ena me breaking story catch say almost say dependent on Xabi Alonso and they know say Barcelona know say it's going to be very difficult. So first anyi second anyi woni baby a call Echo Sisia
Debbie
Echo Inter Milan Lautaro Martinez.
Okay. Quality player. Obey cheap option there.
Say
Cheap beba option na it's going to be very difficult because say Lautaro Martinez the better cheap Inter Milan for Maukra. So Lautaro 28.
Lewandowski ba say Lewandowski ne o say me old G for na asem wo ya wie na no mo ba fam no o tabo Henry Larsson so ka Henry Larsson
yeah
Henry Larsson ba around 31 or so 31 32 or now there be a gaucho kind of 17 no o say whenever everything is done on the field now her who say o muntu nya bibia o hwe bench who say Larsson or
Lewandowski came at age 33.
Oh